Kumar Vishwas of the Aam Aadmi Party is looking to make onions an issue in the Delhi elections. This time, it's rumored he is going to be standing against the BJP's chief ministerial candidate, by the way, that he's not confirming. Atul Kumar Anjan of the Communist Party of India, Siddharth Singh of the BJP, and Randeep Surjewala continues. And in some time, Sanjay Jha will take over from the Congress Party. We'll be joined later in the debate by Khushbu of the DMK, Mayank Gandhi, Mohan Guruswamy and Prasenjit Bose as well. We're taking your calls on Newsa. I have a question. Now this whole charade which is going on, पहला सवाल तो मेरा कुमार विश्वास जी से है. ये बात चल रही है कुमार विश्वास जी, this question is being asked. Sharad Pawar says whatever is happening is for the farmers. I am concerned about the farmers, right? So if the farmers are gaining, the people should not be complaining. So I want your response to that first.
देखिए, ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है कि इस देश में ऐसे कृषि मंत्री हैं जिनको बीपीएल से ज़्यादा आईपीएल की चिंता है और उन्होंने अपने पार्टी के ही कृषि राज्य मंत्री बनवा लिए हैं. ये सबसे छुपा नहीं है कि केवल जो चीनी मिलों में उनकी भागीदारी है उसकी वजह से वो इस विभाग को लिए हुए बैठे हैं. और उनके बयान भी सदा ऐसे होते हैं कि मैं ज्योतिषी तो नहीं हूं कि मैं बता दूं. और ये दोनों पार्टियां, आप देखिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमारे साथी बैठे, ये भी और दूसरी पार्टी भी, ये दोनों प्याज पर ही आते जाते हैं. एक छोटी सी कमोडिटी है. आप सबको याद होगा 1998 में मनोहर जोशी को छगन भुजबल ने प्याज भेजी थी दिवाली के दिन, दिवाली का गिफ्ट के रूप में लड्डुओं की जगह प्याज भेजी थी. और आज वही स्थिति आ गई है. और अभी एक महीने पहले के स्टिंग ऑपरेशन में मध्य प्रदेश, जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शासन है, वहां देवास में प्याज गोदाम का बाकायदा स्टिंग किया गया था और उन्होंने साफ कहा था कि आप एक महीना रुकिए, हम इसे सैकड़ा पार करा देंगे. और आज उन जमाखोरों ने कराकर रख दिया. मेरा कहना आपसे यह है कि आप सबको याद होगा जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने सबसे पहला राष्ट्र के नाम संदेश देते हुए यह कहा था कि जमाखोरों बाज आ जाओ, अन्यथा मैं तुम्हें इलेक्ट्रिक पोल से टांग दूंगा. इलेक्ट्रिक पोल तो गायब हो गए पर जमाखोर आज तक वही हैं. अब इन दोनों का राज्य चला है, चाहे 6 महीने चलाओ चाहे उनका 60 साल चलाओ. तो इन्हीं से जवाब आम आदमी मांगता है कि कम से कम हमारी जो बेसिक नेसेसिटी की चीजें हैं वो तो आप जमाखोरी मत कराइए. और अगर आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसे आएगा तो आप कह रहे हैं मैं ज्योतिषी थोड़ी हूं, प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं मेरे पास जादू की छड़ी थोड़ी है. तो ये तो बहुत ही
मिस्टर सुरजेवाला,
ये मजाक है उनका.
मिस्टर सुरजेवाला, टू यू फर्स्ट. Everybody is saying this, that Sharad Pawar is not doing an honest job in the agriculture ministry. Now let's be very direct about it, right? It happens too often and it cannot be a coincidence, can it, Mr. Surjewala, that he is there as agriculture minister for so many years and every year at exactly the same time the same problem happens. The whole country complains every year. This is going on, I don't know, 6-7 years. It's become a cruel joke. The prices go up. He says, every year he says, I'm not an astrologer. Every year. And when the crisis picks up, when the media picks it up, then he says, okay, in 2 weeks it will come down. Now I'm asking you, Mr. Surjewala, if he's not an astrologer, how does he know that in 2 weeks it will come down? How does he know? I mean, what's going on? If he's not an astrologer, when all of us start asking him questions, how does he say, okay, fine, calm down, in 2 weeks it will come down? How does he know?
Arnab, let me begin by saying...
No, how does he know that in 2 weeks it will come down?
Headline inflation... I'm answering that. Please have the patience to hear. Let me begin by saying that the headline inflation has been checked at about 6%, but the food inflation is a matter of concern both for the Indian National Congress, UP and everybody else.
That is understood. I heard that yesterday. But you know, the question is, how does Sharad Pawar know?
Also understand.
How does Sharad Pawar know it is going to come down if he's not an astrologer? How come?
I'm answering that. I'm answering that. There are stakeholders when it comes to food price inflation, states and center. The onion crop principally around this time is concentrated in 2 states, one the state of Madhya Pradesh and the state of Maharashtra. The new crop that is coming up is from Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. We know that we've had late monsoon rains. While that may lead to bumper crop elsewhere, it has affected the onion crop in Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The agriculture minister has taken note of the problem.
So what was he doing till now?
He has decided along with the food minister to import 9 lakh tons of onion.
No, sir.
$900 is the minimum export price imposition that he has imposed.
Sir, what
and they are on 25th seeking to completely ban
No. But you see, the speculators have made their money, Mr. Surjewala. I go across to Siddharth Nath Singh. The speculators have made their money, and I'm telling you, this is a seasonal phenomenon. 2005, second year of UPA rule, this terrible game started. Onion prices increased 14 to 106%, ending in the month November 2005. Open your books, sir, you'll find same thing happened in 2007. Prices went up 110%. 2011, prices went up 129% in January 2011. And then now in 2012, 2013, it's gone up to 182%. In the current round, it's gone to an all-time high of 323%. It almost seems that as the general elections approach, I don't know, maybe it's very straight. As the general elections approach, the amount of the price rise seems to go up. This is a cyclical trend. I have the figures for it. You have the figures for it. Sharad Pawar has the figures for it, Mr. Surjewala. And Sharad Pawar is not giving the country any answers. Siddharth Singh is coming in. Yes, Siddharth.
Arnab, you are right that it is a phenomena which happens maybe every 2 years, and there are 8 to 10 traders, and out of 8 to 10, 5 to 6 belong to Nasik. One doesn't need to go into much detail.
No, go into the detail. What are you saying?
Is quite well known.
What are you suggesting?
Well, one can go into the details. It is controlled by NCP and Congress political leaders there.
That's a grave charge.
Through that, one sees how the monopoly,
that's a grave charge.
They use the monopoly and the prices keep going up when they wish to do it. And it's not me who is saying. There has been a report by the Competition Commission of India which said to an extent that you need to smash the cartels, and for smashing the cartel they had listed certain steps which needs to be taken, and in those steps they had spoken about how to introduce more competitiveness, how to make transparent purchases, how to introduce the APMC Act in the states where it doesn't exist. APMC to play a role in the auctioneering. All those things have been listed.
What has been done?
And
it has been known. It has been known. This has been known for the longest possible time.
I wish to highlight one more thing.
No, this is all known. Mr. Surjewala cannot pretend it was not known. By the way, I'll take a few calls. 1 second. Mr. Surjewala knew upon it. And Mr. Surjewala, I now present to the Newshour viewers the most stunning statistic of the day. I'm asking you, Mr. Surjewala, do you know how much onion prices have increased by since you came to power in 2004? Can you give me a percentage? Can I share the percentage with you, Mr. Surjewala? And don't be stunned.
Please, by all means.
521%. Onion prices have increased by an incredible, astounding, shocking, ridiculous, humiliating 521% since 2004. That's the reason why we are asking today the cyclical trend. Mr. Pawar has to answer. It's not happening because of the weather. Mr. Surjewala.
Two points I have to make, Arnab. I also want to remind you, when Bharatiya Janata Party lost power in 2004, the onion price was at 120 and 130 rupees a kg. That doesn't justify the increase in price now, but I just want to remind you what was the price, since you are giving me a figure.
Surjewala,
number two,
please remember it is a cartel which was still existing in 1998.
Siddharth Singh, he specifically mentioned some cartels. Why doesn't he proceed to name them? And why does he forget the cartels in Madhya Pradesh? Why does he conveniently forget that in Devas?
Who's interested in this? Your cartel versus my cartel? Your cartel is doing it, so my cartel will also do it. You're cheating the people, I'll also cheat the people. You are hiking the prices, I'll also hike the prices.
There is a
Atul Anjan coming into the debate now.
Competition Commission report, Surjewala, that needs to be implemented. You had said in 45 days it will be investigated and the report will be in the public domain, and then action will be taken in
I am seeking
in the parliament.
Now, many orders in Nasik and areas around.
And you see, one second, but let's
And
get
if
it.
there is anybody else who's related to either NCP or Congress, feel free, name them. In 24 hours,
Surjewala,
will be raided. But it is completely
Mr.
unfair with
Surjewala,
regards to Siddharth Nath Singh ji.
Hang on, hang
to
on.
level allegations of this
No, you
nature.
hang on.
And
I think
what is he
we are.
doing? And what are they doing with the BJP government in Madhya Pradesh?
It
So let us not have blame.
Let me-
Let's try to redress the problem.
I'm